Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress through Bluehost. First, you will select a Bluehost hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements. Next, choose a unique domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Bluehost then conveniently installs WordPress for you, typically within a few minutes, making the initial setup process incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. This easy method gets your site ready quickly. Once WordPress is installed, you can easily access your dashboard through your Bluehost account. This is your website's control center. On the left side, you will find the main navigation menu, offering quick access to all essential features. Here, you can manage your content, including posts and pages, moderate comments, and organize your media library, giving you full command over your site's elements. Now it is time to add content to your website. You can create new posts for your blog, sharing articles and updates with your visitors. For static information, like an About Us page or a contact page, you will create new pages. Additionally, you can upload all your images, videos, and other media files directly into your media library, making them readily available for use across your site. Finally, you will customize your website to reflect your brand. WordPress offers thousands of themes to change your site's appearance and layout. You can also extend functionality by installing plugins for tasks like search engine optimization or enhanced security. After customizing, thoroughly review all your content and settings. Once you are satisfied, you can make your website publicly accessible to the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.